Oh, is that? Yeah.
Liste?
Thank you. Listo.
Listo. You won't watch me do my first bite.
What do you think?
It looks delicious.
Looks super yum.
I'm actually quite excited. There's some watermelon, it looks like. Or is this papaya?
Yeah, I think it's watermelon.
Watermelon, papaya, and vino. A little bit of honey. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Whoa. A lot of honey.
He likes
A little bit of honey.
his sweets.
That's right, my morning sweets. Mmm. It's a different kind of yogurt, but it's good.
Really? Is
Yeah.
it sweet or is it?
No. No, it's just tasty. Yeah, yum.
New car, new drive, okay?
Okay.
Gracias, amigo. Estamos, amigo.
Yes.
Okay. Sí, vamos caminando.
Sí.
Sí,
Ahí entran.
entiendo. Por favor. ¿Qué conoce el autobús?
Es lo mismo.
Sí.
Marlin Espada.
Es mismo.
Okay.
Gracias. Yep.
To
San Ignacio.
How long will you be in San Ignacio?
About a week, and then Cape Cocker for a week.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Yeah, gracias.
Have a good day.
We're hunting? Is that what's happening?
Yeah.
He said that the bus would have the same labels as his one. I'm glad I'm with a bunch of people.
Yeah.
Patiently waiting. Our bus is still due. Yeah, perfect.
I think you're close enough.
And we are totally. Thank you.
That's the green hub.
Yep. Nah, it's just you and me.
Cool.
I think we backtrack to the dirt road
Okay.
rather than walk on the main road. You and me were meant to be. It was pouring a minute ago, and now we're doing okay. Hopefully we'll get there just in time.
We began our adventure to find our Airbnb. As we rounded the corner, something did not seem right. See, we were dropped off at the bus at this intersection, and we decided to walk along the back way rather than the main street. The navigation said we were at the house, but we were really hoping it was wrong. It turns out we were supposed to be in the house next door. After some confusion and broken English and Spanish talking with the owner, he brought us through a side gate to find our Airbnb. What we should have done was taken the main road, which we would have seen this giant sign and a super clear driveway. Really, everything was geared to see the main street approach. Here is what it would have looked like if we had gone the main route rather than the sketchway we came in. Connor was just trying to keep us off the busy road, but boy, did that backfire. Welcome to our Airbnb in San Ignacio.
Cambiamos a la... Caminamos a la... Centro de Ciudad.
Pueblo San Ignacio.
Sí.
Centro
de Pueblo. Centro de Ciudad is city center.
Yeah. I don't know if it's a city or a town.
No sé. The town feels totally different than almost anything we've seen in Belize or Guatemala.
Great. Can you describe it?
I'm having a hard time. I mean, one thing is the sidewalks are all concrete.
Ah. Huh. I didn't
But
even notice that.
It's also it's also that the houses themselves are just a different style of architecture.
Yeah, they are.
And
This doesn't feel as inviting to me, but it might just be we haven't got very far yet.
that's true.
Like in Guatemala and most of the places I was like, yeah, I could live here.
Yeah.
I don't feel that.
Yeah. Even when we went off the main roads a little bit in Guatemala, it felt that way.
Yeah. Well, even more so, I guess, for me.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm having a hard time describing what the difference is. I'm going to do some research tonight. Why do the towns feel different in Belize from Guatemala?
These houses feel bigger and a little more spaced apart, too.
Yeah, definitely more spaced apart. And they actually are using wood a lot more, or what appears to be wood paneling. Hola, gato. video evidence of breaking the rules. Whoa.
And a chocolate milkshake. Yum. So this is actually a tofu burrito. So I'm pretty stoked on that. I'm not exactly sure how to eat it.
We're about to find out.
Shall I? Not the best thing I've ever eaten, but
All right.
oh, I'm
We're-
exhausted.
We're both super tired.
I think it's been a lot of days of travel and a lot of early mornings,
And a lot of noisy nights.
noisy nights. So
Yeah.
we're gonna take a chill day,
Yeah, we're gonna take a rainy day.
rainy
Literally.
day. Probably won't be that fun. We might not show you a ton.
But it is what it is.
You need these days to balance it out when you're traveling for a long time. It's just
What it is.
you need a break. Yeah.
I think we're also not used to the heat, so a siesta
Yeah.
will do us some good too.
Yeah, the rain actually feels kind of good. I'm like hardly keeping my eyes open right now.
Yeah, we're finding our way. Here we go, walking back on the highway, our main road. One of the things we noticed around here is that there are a lot of markets. This is one of 5 that we walked by. I missed one already. Okay, number 2. Number 3.
think
number
this one.
4. Number 5. These pretty little, like bell flowers. Trumpet flowers.